Hi everyone, welcome back to Yoga with Ramoni. Let's start in a comfortable cross-legged position. Close your eyes. Place one hand on your heart and one hand on your belly. Take a big inhale, breathing in through your nose. And now let it out through your mouth. Again, take a big inhale, breathing in, and let it out through your mouth. Return back to your breathing in and out through your nose as you rest your hands on your knees and drop your head forward, chin to chest. And now right ear, right shoulder. Drop your head back, left ear, left shoulder. Let's repeat that head circle one more time. Really take your time. And now we switch directions, doing our head circle to the other side. Let's come back to center and start to take some big shoulder circles to the back. And now we go to the front. Relax your shoulders as you bring your hands up to start taking some wrist and hand circles. So just moving your hands in one direction, really slowly. And now you switch directions. Rest your hands on your knees as you lean your torso to the right and now lean forward and to the left and now back. Really round your spine here. Let's do that circle again to the right and forward and to the left and back. And now we just reverse it, going the other way. Come back to center as you relax. Sweep your arms all the way up overhead. And now cactus your arms, add a little resistance, bending the arms, looking up, spread the fingers, reach your arms back up, and bring your hands to heart center. And I want you to take a deep breath. Reach your arms forward, coming into a cross-legged forward fold. Relax your head, your neck, and your shoulders. Slowly rise back up and make your way onto your back. Hug your knees into your chest as you just breathe deeply. Relax your hips, relax your low back. Lower your legs over to the left side, coming into your stacked supine twist. And you can open your arms wide. Slowly pass through center as you switch sides. Let's come back to center. Straighten your legs, coming into Shavasana. Relax your arms at your sides. We're going to be here for a while, so make sure you're comfortable. Close your eyes and just relax. I'll let you know when it's time to go. Slowly start to come back into your physical body, wiggling your fingers and your toes. Take a deep breath, breathing in through your nose, and let it out through your mouth. Thank you for practicing with me today. Everything that you need is on the screen and in the description box below. Make sure you like this video, subscribe for more classes, and I'll see you in the next one.